Today, I'll show you how to get a void check on RBC Royal Bank using their mobile app. Whether you need it for setting up direct deposits or automatic payments, obtaining a void check is simple and straightforward. Let's dive right into it. Start by opening the RBC mobile app on your smartphone. If you haven't signed in yet, go ahead and enter your login details to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of your accounts. Tap on the account for which you need the void check, such as your checking account. This step is crucial because you want to ensure you're getting the check for the correct account. After selecting the appropriate account, scroll down through the account page. As you navigate, look for an option that reads Get a Void Check. This feature is designed to make the process as seamless as possible, saving you from the hassle of visiting a branch. Once you've found and selected the Get a Void Check option, you'll need to tap on the Download button. This is a key step because it allows you to save the void check directly to your device. Having it saved means you can easily share it via email or print it out whenever necessary. And there you have it. Your void check is now saved and ready for you to use. Whether you need to send it to your employer for direct deposit or set up recurring bill payments, you're all set. This simple process not only saves you time, but also provides the convenience of handling banking tasks right from your mobile device. This quick tutorial has shown you exactly how to obtain a void check using the RBC mobile app. Remember, having a void check handy can simplify a lot of financial transactions, making your life that much easier. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy banking tips.